Okay, now it's time to go get our bear hang down. So yesterday I hung a rope in a tree and then hung the food and any scented things like toothpaste so that the bears are less likely to find it. They're in airtight bags, watertight, and there they are. I have tried different bear hang methods. I like this one. Okay, so I have dealt with so much tangled paracord trying to do bear hangs that this time I tried something and it actually worked really well. I coiled the rope into this bag. It's just like a reusable produce bag from Sobeys. Even has the weight for all the ultralight backpack furs, 10 grams, so pretty light. And I just coil the rope into the bag like you would like a throw rope when you're paddling. And then when you get to the end, I like to leave the end of the rope out and then just kind of do a little twist. And then, since it's a big bag, wrap it around. I use the little bag that came with the produce bags. I think it came in a pack of 5 or 4. And then use that to stuff a rock in and tie the paracord around and throw it over the branch to get the rope over the branch. So here is my little homemade bear hang kit. So I am pretty darn proud of this bear hang of mine from yesterday. All the way up there. And time to take it down and have some coffee.